Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to reset control center to default on iPhone iOS 18.1. Let's have a look. iOS 18.1 lets you reset the control center layout to its default state. Before start, make sure you are using iPhone iOS 18.1 or later. To reset control center layout, first, open Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings, scroll down and tap Control Center. Here you will see Reset Control Center option. This will reset your control center layout to factory defaults. Tap Reset Control Center. This will reset control center layout to factory defaults. Tap Reset Control Center. That's it. Now open Control Center. Simply swipe down from top right side of the screen and you will see your iPhone Control Center layout resetted. So these are the steps to reset Control Center layout to factory defaults on iPhone iOS 18.1. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.